Welcome to everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed about exact equation. Today, we are going to discuss about two types of equations, that is homogeneous equation and equation solvable by separation of variables. So, coming to the first one, that is homogeneous function. Okay, to know about homogeneous equation, we are to know about homogeneous function. So, any equation of the form a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 y plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 y square plus up to an y to the power n. See here, every term is of the nth degree. Every term is of the nth degree. Okay. So this is called a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y. So this is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y. Now coming to homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation or homogeneous differential equation can be written or can be expressed as dy dx equal to f of xy by phi of xy, where this numerator and denominator, that is f of xy and phi of xy, are homogeneous functions, that is they are of same degree in x and y. Both have same degree. So if the given ODE is of the form this, then we can say that this is a homogeneous equation. So coming to a problem, say solve the ODE dy dx plus 2xy equal to x square plus y square. Now in this case, so we have this dy dx plus 2xy equal to x square plus y square. So in this case we can write it as dy dx equal to x minus y whole square. Now we put this part x minus y as z. Now we differentiate this with respect to x, we get dz dx by equal to 1 minus dy dx. Now numbering it as 1. So putting the value of dy dx in 1, we get this. Then okay, here this is also z square. Then 1 minus z square equal to dz dx, or we can write dx equal to dz by 1 minus z square. Now integrating, we get x equal to, this is half log mod 1 plus z by 1 minus z. Next plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Now we have to put the value of z here. So this is z is x minus y is so 1 plus x minus y by 1 minus x plus y plus c. This is our required general solution. So in case of homogeneous equation, basically we put or substitute the value which are expressed in this manner, or somewhere we are to put in this way y equal to vx. Some homogeneous situations, or if the ODE is of homogeneous equation, in that case somewhere we put y equal to vx, and then differentiating dy dx equal to so on, we put the value of dy dx in the given equation and then solve it. So this is a type and this is another type. So this is the technique to solve homogeneous equation. Next, coming to the next type, that is equation solvable by separation of variables. So we coming to a problem this. So basically, from the name of this process or this type of ODE, we can understand that this method is basically we have to solve the ODE by separation of variables. We can see here two variables x and y in this ODE, so we have to separate these variables in this way. This is dx portion, so we write dy in the right side, that is x. If we taking common x, then we get this. Then separate the variables x and y in this way. Now integrating, we get this is log mod x equal to half log mod y plus this is y cube by 6 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So this is our required general solution. So see, this is the technique to solve the ODE by separation of variables, and the previous one is homogeneous equation. So just I mentioned that here the given problem, this equation, this ODE is of a homogeneous, this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in xy, right? Because we can write this equation as dy, okay, this already written, dy dx equal to this. So this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So in our next videos we can discuss more types of ODE and the technique to solve such ODE. Keep watching. Thank you.